Now, we're going to see how to create an optimized blog post with Notria. You'll see, it's super easy. At this stage, since we're coming from the semantic coupons we just saw, that's fine. But you can also create a blog post simply by clicking on this button. You can choose your keyword, but be careful. You need to pick an informational keyword that aims to answer a question, and not a purchase keyword, which is intended for products. So, we click here to start generating the article. So, the keyword analysis is in progress. Our AI is completely different from an AI like GPT or others, which only produce text without any real SEO added value. Sedestral's AI will analyze competitors and identify all the common factors that enabled their good ranking, perform advanced semantic analysis, analyze your store, understand your story and your products, to create the best possible content. This step is the configuration stage. Generally, there's nothing you need to change, but I'll explain each possible setting in case you want to customize. First, here are the competitors that were analyzed to prepare the writing of the article. So, the content of each competitor needs to be analyzed. Understand and identify all the common factors that enabled their good ranking, like the keywords they used, or the meaning of the content, to understand what Google expects for this keyword. In terms of settings, you can choose the image that will appear in the content. It could be a product image that will be optimized by AI and automatically selected by AI. An image that will be automatically selected by the AI, coming from your website. An image entirely generated by AI, or a royalty-free image chosen by the AI. Next, you can add knowledge sources. Knowledge sources can be a page, a PDF file, or text to enrich the AI. Next, you can choose the content length, but this part. And it's automatically filled in by the AI based on the average length of your competitor's content. Then, internal links are usually filled in automatically. But since this is just a test store for me and I don't have any pages indexed on Google, I'm going to do it manually. There you go. I added 2 product pages. So, these products will be naturally integrated into the content and highlighted. Next, you can give instructions to our AI if you want specific and particular content, and then a summary, a FAQ, and you can choose the tone. So a cooler tone, more informative, more narrative. You can give an example text so our AI can pick up on it and reproduce the tone. Once everything is set up, you just have to click here, generate my article with these instructions. That's it. So, at this stage, our AI has come up with content ideas, and the goal is to select the content that fits us best. For example, I want to take the first one. So at this stage, our AI has written an outline. Once the outline is written, it will start drafting the content. And this step can take between 5 and 10 minutes, so in the meantime, you can get back to something else or do another activity. So let's wait. There you go. Now the blog article is ready and written. Let's take a look at it together. Now you can personalize it, fine-tune it in our text editor. You can replace the images. In short, you can change everything. So, as you can see, this is content that is really complete, rich, useful, and above all, authentic, which truly matches our store. I recommend that you reread it and fine-tune it to fit your style. There you go. It only takes a few minutes. So on the right, that's the SEO analysis from our AI. Based on the top-ranked competitors, it identified the structure to use. Next, the search intent, meaning what users and Google expect. The common keywords used by the best ranked sites, so those should be used. And the number of occurrences, as well as the context in which competitors use them. The frequently asked questions on Google. In short, a truly comprehensive SEO analysis. So now, the next step is to publish this article on our store. So we'll see that in the next video.